Good morning to everybody. Lon and Rhoda and visitors. Inisinulat ko na lang itong aking mga sasabihin kasi para siguradong hindi ako magkakamali. Okay. Isang taus-pusong pagpupuri at pasasalamat sa mahal na poon na dinignig niya ang dalangin natin lahat, Lon and Rhoda, para sa coming triplets. Sa inyo, Lon and Rhoda, congratulations and best wishes. To the triplets, welcome to our world. All our prayers are good health and you be a good Christian. I can imagine their growing ages from 0 to 1 year old. Oh, they have the changing mode. 1 to 3 years old, nursery. 3 to 5 years old, preschool. 6 to 11 years old, grade school. And 12 to 17, their high school or K-12. And 17 and up, their college years. In my case, at the age of 57, Joy graduated from college. So you can count the years of upbringing and caring them. In your love, dedication, capacity, and income, and with the help and guidance of the Lord, sure the triplets will grow up good and talented children. Good luck, good health, God bless you and your family. Welcome to the Philippines, July 16.